Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove my AI on Snapchat. I will walk you through the step-by-step process to help you regain control over your privacy and disable artificial intelligence functionalities within the popular social media app. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. The first step is to open your Snapchat app on your device. After that, swipe on left to go on chats. So on the first place you can see my AI chat bot, and to remove it, go on avatar of your profile in top left corner of the screen. When you do that, you are on your profile, and you need to click on settings button in top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and go on account options section. So now you see a clear options, and first you need to go on clear my AI data, then confirm you want it, and you will wait a few seconds to Snapchat clear data. So next go on clear conversation, and on this menu you see all your conversation on Snapchat with your friends. Next find a conversation with my AI, and then tap on X button to remove chat, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.